Okay, now we're going to create a rule, a rich rule, to reject any traffic that comes from a particular IP address. And the way we're going to do it is with the firewall command -cmd -- it's going to be a permanent rule --zone testing, that was our zone name, --add -rich -rule equals rule family. Hopefully you're getting a hang of this whole syntax of how the rich rules are laid out. IPv4 source address equals 192.168. We're going to reject the traffic coming from this IP. .10/24. Remember, before we use accept here, now we're going to say reject. Okay, successful. So reject will reply back with an ICMP packet noting the rejection, while a drop will just silently drop the traffic and do nothing else. So a drop may be referable in terms of security as a reject response, confirms the existence of the system as it is rejecting the request. It's also important to note that if source or destination addresses are used with a rich rule, the family must be specified as either IPv4 or IPv6 depending on the addressing in use for the rule. Rich rules can also be used to rate limit traffic. Here we limit incoming SSH connections to 10 minutes. Okay, and this is how we do it. Firewall -cmd --permanent -add -rich -rule equals rule service name equals SSH, and then we're going to use the limit command, which is going to be limit value equals 10 per minute. Accept. Successful. So rich rules can also be used to send messages to a log file, and this logging can also be rate limited. Here we log SSH connections from 192.168.0.0/24, but at a rate of no more than 50 log entries per minute. Only logs of level info or more important would be logged. Okay, so this is how we do it. Firewall -cmd -permanent -add -rich -rule equals rule family equals IPv4 source equals 192.168.0.0/24. Service name equals SSH. It should be under quotes as well. SSH log prefix equals SSH level equals info limit value equals 50 per minute except end of quote. Okay, so we are probably missing a code somewhere because it has a lot of those. Okay, I think I see the problem. So if I up arrow, bring the whole command again, and it's supposed to be source address. So I just put in source, I didn't say address here. So this is supposed to be space address equals. Let's see if it goes through now. Success.